How to change formation on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. From here, tap on the Fantasy option at the bottom bar. Then here you will see Pick Team option. Tap on Pick Team. Then it will show you all the teams that you have made. Now, in order to change the formation, tap on anyone that you would like to change, then tap on Substitute. Then choose any of these given options. For instance, I'm going to choose a midfielder. Do the same for others as well. Tap onto their profile, tap on Substitute. Substitute them with any other players. Once you're satisfied, tap on to Confirm at the top page. Just like so, this is how you can change the formation of your FPL. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on FPL topic, do comment down below and subscribe to our channel.